So yes, my people, we are headed back to Canada once more again, guys, and we ain't going on no vacation, my people. Yeah, we're going for work. Yeah, so we are making the note clear. Going for work, guys. No vacation, work. Yes, my people, welcome back. Another journey. See it? Out the outside, guys.
Yeah, run up on the box.
What's up, driver? Yes, my people, fully outside. We outside once more again, my people. Yeah, butter. Outside. So yes, my people, we are headed back to Canada once more again, guys, and we ain't going on no vacation, my people. Yeah, we're going for work. Yeah, so we are making the note clear. Going for work, guys. No vacation, work.
Good afternoon, groups 1 and 2. We will then proceed to where customers will see in front of you or in the overhead locker. Items not meeting this requirement must be
What? Clean my eyes. You look to me like a space. Holy shit.
Yo, what must say? See. driver, put it down. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. Drop down too hard, brother. One boy drop down one day, no man, playing close in, no man, body. I didn't drop it down, we're playing gun grass today.
Welcome to Toronto. The local time is 7:12. Please maintain with your seatbelt fastened and baggage stowed. The seatbelt sign has been turned off. Smoking is not permitted. Airplane mode may now be turned off. Before leaving, please ensure you have all your electronic devices with you. If you are connecting on any Air Canada flight today, you do not need to pick up your checked baggage unless you are advised to do so at check-in or by Canada.
Yeah, right, is it?
Thank you for choosing Air Canada, a member of Star Alliance for travels today. We hope you had a pleasant flight and we look forward to see you again soon.
Mesdames et messieurs, bienvenue à Toronto. Il est 19h13, heure locale. Veuillez rester assis avec votre ceinture de sécurité. Vos bagages rangés jusqu'à ce que la consigne des ceintures soit éteinte. Il est interdit de fumer. Vous pouvez maintenant désactiver le mode avion. Avant de sortir, assurez-vous d'emporter tous vos appareils électroniques. Si vous effectuez un vol de correspondance avec Air Canada, vous n'avez pas besoin de récupérer vos bagages enregistrés, sauf indication contraire lors de l'enregistrement ou du passage à la douane. Merci d'avoir choisi Air Canada, membre du réseau Star Alliance pour voyager aujourd'hui. Nous espérons.
Zoom in?
Yeah.
Put your tree.
Anthony, sir.
Life caretaker.
But not tomorrow. Next month.
Cabin crew, prepare doors for arrival in caution.
Yes, my people. Welcome to Toronto, Canada. So we are lead out. Yeah.
I must look around in it, man.
Early in the morning, my people, heading from the hotel back to the airport. Early in the morning, catching a flight.
Right, boss? Already drop your friend over there, you know?
Okay.
Going to Terminal 1 Air Canada. You got a flight cancellation yesterday? You were having the same flight, right? Yeah, I know, man. I'm just asking him. Like, that's why he said 2. He going back.
This?
This one is the biggest.
So finally, my people, we reach at the airport back again. Let's look at, see? Welcome to Canada. That is it, my people. Terminal 1. So we're entering from the Terminal 1. Going through. Yeah. My people. Catching a flight, my people. Yeah, man. We are traveling from yesterday. So we will catch the last flight. Head to a destination. I'm on in my people. You know? Yeah, man. See? That is it. Yeah, man. So yes, my people, we're the outside once more again. There we from we plane now. Head to final destination. Welcome to Canada. This is just the way home. We're heading on to the bus. This is it. Oh, going outside. We on the bus. We going. And we on the bus, my people. That's where we're gonna go. To the airport, to the plane. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the plane. Catch a flight. Yeah, my people. What's the drive?
We don't know each other, but My best driving is I love Romania.
We just started. Heading to our plane, my people. So we're riding into a bus. Yeah, this airport is so big. Welcome to Toronto.
First of all, they'd be like, oh, we're on the weekend.
Over here.
Boarding pass has rows 1 to 18. You're going to use the front bridge. 19 to 33 uses the rear. Okay? 1 to 18.
Traveling to getting off this bus. Traveling.
Everybody go low on it.
This is it, my people. Something like this. Welcome. See? Welcome. See? So yes, my people, we make it to the plane. So as I feel, we're heading up in the tunnel. We are aboard. Yeah man, so we are going to head to a final destination, which is Yellow now. And remember my people, we ain't on no vacation, we here for work. Work. Work money, take care of family back home in Jamaica.
I see him settings. I see him settings.
See?
What are you hearing? What are you hearing?
Well, I'm hearing my stuff, but somebody else is trying to connect with it, so I don't know who it is. Whatever.
Lights at floor level, light to the exits. Exit signs on this aircraft. Pendant votre voyage avec agréable, this is l'océan. And please sit back, relax, enjoy your flight. If you have any questions, and anything we can make the flight more enjoyable.
Take time with it. Yeah, man, that one I learned good.
Time 10:15 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. First light of a stowed to the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please refrain from smoking. You may now use your cell phones. If you need assistance during deep cleaning, we're happy to help. Please be careful to leave the overhead bin. Items be at
Sun wing I touch there. Like that shot there, watch it. Watch it.
Oh, nice.
It would look like half a dozen, everyone was rusting, so I found this one on the marketplace and what the hell, make a trip, make it fun.
All right on.
So we'll see. I was here a couple years ago at a conference, played at that Predator Ridge golf course. I'm like,
it's not a bad track.
Yeah.
There's several tracks actually up this area called Smith Creek.
okay, yeah.
And it's got some good runs.
Nice.
You're still getting the work. People say, oh yeah, you're not getting the work. You can adjust them. You can adjust your
Up and down, yeah, exactly.
Decline. Are we detoxing? Alright. So we're deboarding the plane, guys. Welcome to Kelowna. Welcome to Kelowna. Yes, my people.
Air Canada is requesting an ambassador.
Looking good.
This year I'm
Pretty year.